Are you ready for a day filled with adventure, history, and sweet treats in Prague? Let's go. We'll start our day with a stroll across the famous Charles Bridge, where we'll take in breathtaking views of the Vltava River and the city skyline. As we make our way to the other side, we'll stop by the historic Prague Castle, where we'll explore the stunning Gothic architecture and learn about the fascinating history of the Czech Republic. After that, we'll head to the heart of the old town to see the world-famous astronomical clock, a must-see attraction that has been ticking since the 15th century. We'll check out the charming neighborhood of Vinohrady, where we will wander through tree-lined streets and admire the Art Nouveau architecture. We'll stop at a local bakery for some freshly baked pastries and coffee to fuel our journey. All this exploring is sure to work up an appetite, so we'll treat ourselves to some delicious pistachio gelato at a local gelateria. The creamy, nutty flavors will be the perfect pick-me-up as we continue our adventure. As the sun sets, we'll also catch a traditional puppetry show, a unique art form that dates back to the 18th century. So, are you ready to experience the best of Prague in just one day? Let's hit the streets and make some memories.